Hey everyone, today we'll be discussing about the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. It is a type of immediate reaction, right? Immediate hypersensitivity reaction. Here, major interaction is there will be between the antigen and the Ig antibody. Now, let's learn in detail. At first, there will be the allergens, for example, pollen grains, right? For example, pollen grain will get exposed and it will present to the antigen presenting cell. Here you can see the antigen presenting cell, and this will process this presented antigen and present it to the surface molecule, that is MSC class 2 molecules. This MSC class 2 molecule will present this process antigen to the Th2 helper cell, and this Th2 helper cell release the factors. Here you can see interleukin 4. This interleukin 4 will activate the beta cell, and that get transformed into the plasma cell. Here it will get transformed into the plasma cell. This plasma cell will release the antibodies. The major antibody here released is the Ig antibody, right? You can see the Ig antibody, and this will be attached to the surface of the mast cell. Here you can see the mast cell, Ig antibody, where Ig antibody get attached, and at the beginning or at the first exposure, this mast cell will get sensitized only. Here it will get, there will be the sensitization of the mast cells, but upon the subsequent exposure, that means upon the secondary or the subsequent exposure, there will be the degranulation of the mast cells and release of the inflammatory molecules. Let's see here the mast cell, right? As I have already said that at first there will be antigen, and this antigen will get attached to the Ig antibody. This Ig antibody was for the first time get attached to the mast cells, right? Already there was attached of the Ig antibody, and upon the secondary exposure, this antigen and Ig antibody interaction occurs, right, on the surface of the mast cells, and it causes the degranulation of the mast cells contents. Now, the degranulation or the mast cell reaction occur in the two phase. It is a biphasic reaction. You can see here in the immediate response, there will be the immediate response, and it occur within an hour, 1 hour, right? And in the late phase reaction, here in the late phase reaction, it occurs in a 2 to 24 hours, right? Now, what happens in an immediate response? There will be release of the factors or the mediators, like histamine will be released. This histamine is responsible for the bronchospasm and vasodilation. Bronchospasm and vasodilation, right? If there will be the bronchospasm, here also written that here will be the vasodilation and the smooth muscle spasm, that is a bronchial muscle spasm. The vasodilation is responsible for hypotension. It causes the hypotension, whereas in the bronchial spasm, it causes the difficulty in respiration. That causes the dyspnea or the difficulty in respiration will be there. And next is next factors will also get released, that is the prostaglandins and leukotrienes also released in the immediate response. Now next is a in the late phase reaction that occurs in 2 to 24 hours, there will be release or there will be the leukocyte infiltration will occur. There will be a leukocyte infiltration, epithelial damage will occur. Now let's see this graph, right? Here within 1 hour, 0 to 1 hour, 0 to 1 hour, here is immediate phase reaction. There is a rapid clinical manifestation, rapid manifestation of the symptoms, like vasodilation, like congestion and edema will be there. Also there will be the bronchospasm, right? Bronchospasm within 1 hour. Within 1 hour, this will be manifested. And after in the late phase reaction, that occurs in a 2 to 24 hours, right? There will be the infiltrations of the eosinophil and neutrophils will occur. This is a type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. Now, what is the treatment? Treatment for this type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is given the drug of choice is adrenaline in 1:10,000 dilation. 1:10,000 dilation, right? The measure what the adrenaline, how does the adrenaline relieve the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is that it binds to the beta 2 receptors, right? And in the bronchial smooth muscle, and it causes the bronchodilation. It causes the bronchodilation, right? And another is it also through the binding to the alpha receptor, it causes the vasoconstriction, and that prevents the hypertension. It prevents the hypertension, right? And another is it also prevents the degranulation of the mast cells. The beta receptors, beta 2 receptor is also supposed to be present on the mast cell surface. There is a presence of the beta 2 cells, right? Beta 2 receptor. So this adrenaline is also supposed to prevent the degranulation of the mast cells. This is how the adrenaline or adrenaline causes the relief or